O Ateneo at saka Adamson. So, ito yung playoff, yung knockout for the last Final Four slot. So, simple lang tong game na to. Ito yung nagpapakita na defending champions, pag importante yung laro, lumalabas yung laro. They don't care if they are number 1, number 2, number 3, or number 4 for as long na makapasok sila sa Final Four and for as long as mananalo sila sa championship. Kakalabanin daw nila yung UP. Yun ang magandang makita natin kung sino mananalo dun sa UP Ateneo din. DLSU tsaka NU, di ba? But, simple lang nangyari sa game na yun. Ateneo came to play. They play as champions. Both ends yun. And nakita nyo kung gaano kagaling na coach si Tab Baldwin. Kasi motivation yun eh. Motivation yun and yung tiwala nila kay Coach Tab. Wala nang X and O's doon. May tiwala. Good coaches find a way to win in the most important games. Kahit na sabihin mo sunod-sunod ang talo niyan, doon sa talaga nakakaintindi na kung paano mag-ano yung basketball. Not only in basketball but in other team sports as well, ganyan. Pag importante yung laro, nananalo. So, yun lang po.